Group 4 Proposal Presentation. We are Group 4 Designs. We have been assisting professional and amateur organizations with instrument designs for over 28 days. We bring countless hours of engineering experience. Our problem is that the band Maroon, Gold, and 4 need 4 instruments that can easily take on tour in a 2-foot by 2-foot stage box. They must be cost-effective, durable, creative, original, be aesthetically pleasing, and above all, sound good. These are our requirements. We decided the top 2 requirements were they must play one of their hit songs and fit into a 2-foot by 2-foot stage box. We came up with 3 possible sets of instruments, option 1, 2, and 3. We came up with this criteria table. We put we scored each of the options, and after scoring them each, we chose option number 1. Option number 1 contains high range percussion, medium range string, low range string, and a low range wind. These designs offer durability, range, and the acoustical quality desired. Now I'll let the engineers go through the designs. Hi, my name is Tim Boland, and I'm here to explain to you my design for a percussion instrument using wooden dowel rods. The dowel rods will be painted red and gold to go along with the name of the band and the spirit of the performance. You can see that we've allocated what musical notes are required in the high range: C4, D4, G4, A4, B4, C5, and D5, as well as the frequencies associated with those notes. We've done the math. We know how long each rod needs to be to produce the frequency required. We've also come up with a budget, and this item is well within budget. Basically, the most expensive thing we'll have to buy will be the dowel rods. You can see here that the longest rod is going to be 415 millimeters long. That's well within the 2-foot requirement for the stage box. Now I'm going to go ahead and hand this presentation off to the next engineer.
Hello, my name is Sean Beatty, and I specialize in electrically amplified instruments. And what I'm proposing for you today is a low-range, electrically amplified string instrument, similar to what you may know as a bass. However, as your needs require portability, I've cut out all the nonsense and scaled your design down to the dimensions specified in the drawing I've included. You can remain confident that your instrument will perform your specification, as I've derived all the note scaling from the formula I've included, where string length equals 2 times the square root of line tension divided by the linear mass density, of which is then divided by the frequency requirements. The tension I'll use is approximately 150.35 newtons, and the linear mass density of the string I've chosen is 0.084 kilogram meters cubed. I performed this calculation for all the frequencies required, which I've included in the slide. This has allowed me to design my fretboard lengths to give you all the notes required, G2 through A3, for your hit song, Ode to Joy. I've chosen only the best materials, including a birch wood body, bridge, and nut with stainless steel frets, a nickel-plated tuner, a Fender Precision bass style pickup, and a G string from a set of GH bass boomers. All of this will be driven from battery-powered onboard amplifier pumping crisp sound through an 8-ohm speaker, which can be powered on and off with the included toggle switch. And to top it off, I've managed to pack all this style and sound into a package that will run a low $11.50. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Luis Zamora. I'm part of the Group 4, and this is our proposal for the band to the box. I'm in charge of the wind instrument, and my design is to create a PVC flute 1 inch for low range. As you can see on the sketch that we made, the PVC is going to be 14 inches long. It's going to have 6 different holes, and it will have a block of made of cork. It's going to be 1 inch width, and pretty much all of them is going to be measuring inches. The musical note requirements that I have to do with this flute, it will be G3, D3, B2, A2, G2. So the frequency range required, it's already, as you can see on the image that I have right here. The block will be cork material. The flute will be 14 inches, and pretty much as a design or unique feature, I will add the color for the ASU. the flue, it will be easy to carry since it will be made PVC, and also we will be staying under the budget. As you can see, that's are my calculation for the frequency, also for the wavelengths, as I mentioned. Also for the estimate budget and the material, we're gonna use a core, spray paint, and some sandpaper. It will be a total of $10.79, which is under the budget. Um, I actually create different concepts. One was for made of bamboo, other for metal, and other for the PVC. And as you can see on the image, is actually why I made the decision to go with the PVC, which will be the best concept to work. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.
Alright. Hello, my name is Thomas Lynn in Group 4, and I'm doing the presentation on medium frequency range stringed instrument, and it's going to be on the lower end frequency, so medium low frequency, and it's going to be a board with one string basically. And I have my musical note requirements on my slide and the frequency as well, and my plan is to use a board of wood, which will be about $4, a couple screws to hold in place the string, and a nut to latch onto the string so I can control the tension, and then to use like little blocks to hold the string up so it's like properly aligned so it can vibrate well to make the sounds. And yeah, I use the mass of the string divided by the length to find the linear density, and then use that to find the tension with the string frequency equation. And let's see, so yeah, that's how I got all my stuff, and then I plan to test out a few changes to like better amplify the sound and the acoustics of the instrument. But yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. Yeah, thank you.
So, now that you've seen our designs and heard about them, after reviewing the criteria for 3 different instrument design options, we believe we have selected the best option for Maroon and Gold 4. With our compact yet durable design solutions, we've made no sacrifice when it comes to sound quality. To top it off, we believe our designs to be cutting edge in originality and pleasing to the eye, ensuring that Maroon and Gold 4 is not only going to sound great, but they're going to look great too. Feel free to look through the slides at the end of the packet. Thank you.